What I Eat. Today we are going to be cooking some Indian curry dressed in a traditional sari. Let's get started! Make some curry. Alrighty, to start out this curry, we're gonna want to put the pan on a simmerable heat and add some light olive oil into the base of the pan. And while that is heating up, let's get to some of the other ingredients. There's our onion. Time to go in the pan. So now that we got that in there, time for some chopped tomatoes. While the onions and tomatoes are simmering, remember to constantly stir them as you are getting and preparing all the rest of your ingredients for your curry. So you're gonna wanna add some paprika, a pretty decent amount of all of these ingredients I'm about to say. I kind of eyeball it, but today we'll have a little helping hand that'll overflow. A little bit of turmeric, some ginger, and ground coriander. All the spices are in there. Time to give it a nice, generous stir. And then once that's kind of bubbled over a little, we'll add some of this chicken that we cubed. So now that all the spices have combined beautifully into the mixture for the base of the curry, it is time to add some of this chicken into the pan. And then we're gonna let it go for a little bit, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, just enough to get the chicken there cooked. So you're not eating raw chicken. It's in the pan and we're just gonna give it a nice big stir. As the curry's cooking, it's time to start the rice. So now that we have waited quite long enough for the chicken to cook inside of the sauce that is the curry sauce, and I've already pre-checked a few pieces of chicken, so it is perfectly good for consumption. And we are ready to plate it on our little pan. So now that we got the curry all ready to eat and prepared, it's time to give it the final grand finale taste test. Let's pick up our fork and dig right on in. All the spices combined in wonderfully. It was definitely a great recipe. And I'm very happy you guys recommended it for me to cook here on I Am What I Eat. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.